I think that we will proceed, and I expect that our witnesses will proceed in sticking to the topic at hand today, as opposed to trying to deviate from it. You'll have your chance, Mr. Metz. You'll have an opening statement. Our witnesses today are Dr. Jamie Metzel. Dr. Metzel served on the National Security Council under President Bill Clinton, the State Department under Secretary Madeleine Albright, and as Deputy Staff Director for Senator Joe Biden on the Senate Foreign Relations Committee. He is currently a Senior Fellow at the Atlantic Council. Mr. Nicholas Wade. Mr. Wade has worked in the field of health and science journalism for more than 40 years. He worked for Nature magazine, Science magazine, and was then the science editor for the New York Times. He is now a freelance journalist and author, writing extensively about COVID-19. Dr. Paul Auwaerter, did I say that correctly, sir? Okay. Dr. Auwaerter was the president of the Infectious Diseases Society of America, the largest professional society worldwide related to infectious diseases. He is currently a professor of medicine at Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine, serving as the clinical director for the Division of Infectious Diseases. Dr. Robert Redfield. Dr. Redfield has spent more than 45 years in medicine and is a virologist by training. He served as chief of the Department of Retroviral Research at the Walter Reed Army Institute of Research, co-founded the Institute of Human Virology at the University of Maryland, and was the director of the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention from 2018 to 2021, serving during the pandemic itself. Pursuant to Committee on Oversight and Accountability Rule 9G, the witnesses will please stand and raise their right hands. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony that you are about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Thank you. Please be seated. Let the record show that the witnesses all answered in the affirmative. The Select Subcommittee certainly appreciates you all for being here today, and we do look forward to your testimonies. Let me remind the witnesses that we have read your written statements, and they will appear in full in the hearing record. Please limit your oral statements to 5 minutes. As a reminder, please press the button on the microphone in front of you so that it is on and members can hear you. When you begin to speak, the light in front of you will turn green. After 4 minutes, the light will turn yellow. When the red light comes on, your 5 minutes has expired, and we would ask that you please wrap up.